Hello and welcome. In this audio, we'll talk about the correct way to breastfeed your baby, and the best positions for both mother and child. First, let's talk about the latch. A proper latch means the baby's mouth covers both the nipple and the areola. The lips should be flanged outward like fish lips, and the baby's chin should touch the breast. If you feel pain while feeding, it usually means the latch isn't correct. In that case, gently remove the baby and try again. Now let's explore some comfortable breastfeeding positions. 1. Cradle hold. 2. Cross cradle hold. 3. Football hold. 4. Side lying position. Every mother and baby is different, so choose the position that works best for both of you. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to share this audio with new moms who might find it helpful.